Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to get a modded version of Highrise Social Metaverse for iPhone and Android. So as you can see, my resources are going up like crazy. So I'm going to show you guys exactly to get it. So let's get straight into the video. My gold is increasing. So it's pretty easy. You just want to go to hexmods.com. They're a modded website with a lot of mods. So just type in Highrise Social Metaverse, find it, press download, and begin the download. So before it downloads, you might have to do a little verification thing where you got to download 2 apps, complete instructions. They're 100% free from official store. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load here, as you can see. So yeah, it's super easy, guys. So you can see right here, just says complete 2 free apps. So there's going to be all these apps. So just make sure you download 2 of the apps, complete instructions. Doesn't matter which one. But there is a video to watch if you're confused. So as you can see, we got all the apps. So like TikTok, down and run for 30 seconds. Just press on the app, it brings you to the store, whatever. Doesn't matter really. Just make sure you do 2 of them, guys. And also, before we begin our tutorial, I didn't mention this, but go over to Settings app, go to General, and make sure background app refresh is enabled. Also, make sure low power mode is disabled, and go to App Store and make sure that you have the automatic downloads enabled, because that can screw you if automatic downloads is turned off. So that's how to do it, guys. Just make sure you downloaded 2 of the apps, because there's a lot of them on here, and I don't want you to think you have to download all the apps. You just have to download 2 of the apps. So yeah, there's an easy game right here, Travel Town. You got to reach level 9. I thought that one was pretty simple. But then there's like other ones, TikTok, Evertail, whatever. There is a video to watch if you're confused. So if you don't feel like I'm a good explainer, you can always watch that video. It might be more helpful. But yeah, this is pretty wild if you're interested in a modded version for the Highrise game. So yeah, that's super cool. So I'm going to see you in another video. And peace out, bro.